The following is a morning walk conversation with His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on May 15th, 1973, in Los Angeles.
For the scientist to understand God, what is their difficulty? We understand God very easily.
Because they find it very hard to see the spirit, the soul. It's very doubtful, let's say.
Well, spirit you see or don't see. That is
matter. Studies matter.
No, that's all right.
No, once they see the spirit soul, they can detect somehow, then they definitely convinced.
How we can see? It is the measurement is given 1/10,000th part of the tip of the ear. So where is your seeing power?
Still they want to sense it by some...
sense, there is any rascal can sense that here is living energy, there is spirit soul. Just like if you inject 1 grain of poison and immediately dies. Does it require how he dies? That not 1 grain, even 1/100th part of 1 grain, venomous poison, how it acts. Even nobody can see. When the snake bites, nobody can see. Where is that? How he dies.
They will explain that by it blocks some of the metabolic paths.
That's all right, but it is acting. That is my point. You can explain in your nonsense way. But I see that because that very little portion of poison is there, immediately dies. Why don't you see the action?
That's just like taking cyanide.
Yes.
Cyanide, they said cyanide blocks the...
Whatever it may be, but the thing that we have to see by the effect. Similarly, it's a small particle of... Therefore our knowledge is perfect. We take it from Vedas. The small particle of soul, because it is present there, you see the whole thing is going on nicely.
They say the soul is subject to material conditions.
Huh?
They say they're seeing the body as the soul, so they say because it's subject to material conditions, therefore it's not eternal.
Maybe material condition. There is, but so you have to accept there is soul.
Once they accept the existence of the soul, then there is not much difficulty. Once they accept this, then automatically they have to accept.
No, they have to accept. They have no explanation. All they explain foolishly. How man is living, how there is consciousness, he cannot explain. Avinashita tadviddhi jena sarvavidam tatam. Consciousness, because the soul is there. If I pinch here, immediately I feel I am conscious. Throughout the whole skin I am conscious. As soon as the soul is not there, if you cut it, chop it, nobody protests. Why? This simple thing they do not understand.
That's a soul problem, but about God.
First of all, let us understand the soul. Soul is the small God, sample God. If you understand the sample, then you can understand the whole thing.
Some scientists are claiming that just because they haven't yet discovered how to create life, they are soon to. And
what is that?
They are in the process of trying to create life.
That is Askel now. That we kick out.
Yes.
That we kick on their face.
Yes. But they say
show what you have got just now. That I don't accept. We are trying. A rascal is saying, I am trying to be millionaire. When you become millionaire, then talk. Now you are a poor vagabond, that's all. That we shall accept. What you are trying, everyone will say, I am trying. What you are now, that is our proposition.
At the present they know how to kill very good.
Huh?
At the present they know how to kill very good.
Yeah. Nonsense. We are trying. That any nonsense will say, I am trying. What is this? That is not it.
Well,
scientific proposition.
The argument that has been presented is that, well, we don't have it now, but soon we're to have it. So
That any rascal will say. What is the difference between you and the rascal? Any rascal will say. I am trying to. What is the use of the scientist? Any rascal will say. Trust the future, have a pleasure. You can talk of all pleasant things in future, but you don't trust it. You don't trust, because you do not see soul, you don't trust. Why shall I trust you? You rascal. That in future you shall be very great scientist. You do not trust because you do not see. There is no soul. You cannot see. So why shall I trust you? What is the answer? That in future you will be able to do something extraordinary.
Yes.
Why shall I trust you?
Give them a lot of credit.
Well, I say they've done so much in the past. They've accomplished so much.
That is all useless. What you have done? You have not given any contribution that there will be no death. The death is there. In the past there was death. People are dying now. What you have done?
Helped death. Helped death.
Well, help means you have helped to minimize the duration of life. Formerly man was living 100 years. Now they do not live more than 60, 70 years. That you have helped, certainly. What you have done help? A man is dying ordinarily. You have created atomic energy. You can kill thousands of men. So you have helped only in dying. But you have not helped in living. That is not possible. Then what you have done? Some childish play? What you have done?
Now we have
You
airplanes.
cannot stop that. You cannot stop birth. You cannot stop disease. You cannot stop old age. So what you have done? Formerly people used to become old. Now also they are becoming old. Formerly people used to die. They are dying now also. Formerly people used to become diseased. They are becoming diseased. More disease, more medicine. Now what you have helped? You have not helped anything in the improvement of the order of the world. What is the help?
These same scientists will point to India and say, look at all the dying and starving people of
No,
India.
why Indians? We are talking of the whole world.
Yes.
Why take the example of the Indians?
Well, they
Indians may be backward. We are talking of you so forward. What you have done? Indians may be backward. We are not talking of any particular